As the name suggests, Grandland, we wanted to make the whole car more grand in every respect. Our design philosophy is about being bold and pure. Every shape on the car is there for a reason.
The grand idea behind the design was to create a car that was our top-of-the-line entry. It had to be both powerful and elegant.
And for the very first time, we're illuminating the emblem in a very proud way. So we're one of the first manufacturers to bring that to the market.
We have increased the size, we have increased the range, we have increased the performance. You can see it's a grand feeling. With the engineering team that we have in Germany, we have a multi-energy platform.
We are setting the next stage of German craftsmanship in Eisenach. There's a clear DNA towards highest quality by every employee.
It should be a grand experience. It's incredibly spacious, not just physically, but also the perception of space.
The Grandland is the first car moving to what we call pure experience, bringing simplicity, purity, and clarity to how the customer lives and operates within the interior.
The new Grandland makes me proud because this car is grand. Grand size, grand comfort, grand design, and all of this is the new Grandland.